In today's video, we'll be discussing on a very important topic which people always have a confusion about. Is God partial or impartial? Krishna is telling in Bhagavad Gita, chapter 9, 29th shloka, Sammoham sarvabhuteshu na me deshosti priya ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya maite teshu chapyaham. I envy no one, nor I am partial to anyone. I am equal to all. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend, is in me, and I am also a friend to him. What Krishna is telling is very natural. In this world, a person serves others, but he has a special liking for his own child. There is rain which doesn't show partiality over any area. The rain rains equally over the rocks, over the river, over the seas, and over the land. But a cactus seed will give rise to a cactus plant, and a mango seed will give rise to a mango plant. Is it the fault of the rain? The rain equally rains everywhere. Similarly, this philosophy of Krishna consciousness is such that this relationship of the Lord with his devotees is very, very personal. A person may complain that God is partial to someone and impartial to other, but actually, just like the radio 93.9 FM signal is there everywhere, and only a person who tunes his settings to a particular frequency will be able to hear the sound of 93.9 FM. Prabhupada was distributing popcorns to the ducks who were quacking, and the duck which quacked more got more popcorns. So always understand that although God is impartial to everyone in this universe, he neither envies anyone or shows special favor as such to anyone, but anyone who serves God with love will be his beloved child. The example is very simple. Suppose a father is there who is doing for two sons a lot of service, but one son keeps on complaining. The father still keeps on doing his service for that son. But the other son shows a lot of gratitude for the father and says his father time and again and often, "Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father, for this. Thank you, Father, for that." Of course, the father will have more affection for the son. Mamai vangsho jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatanaha. We are part and parcels of that Supreme Father. And the way we reciprocate our love with the Father also reciprocates in the same way. So if you ask me the question whether God is, suppose you ask me a MCQ, whether God is partial, number 1, impartial, number 2, number 3, partial and impartial, and number 4th, none of the above, my answer is 3, my dear friend. So God is both partial and impartial. I hope you understood the message. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Saurabh Chaudhary, your ancient Indian Vedic ambassador. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel right now and press the app button for downloading the free app. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna